Why did I do that? Hey everybody, it's Bunny. Wait. I have a little megaphone. Here we go. Hey everybody, it's Bunny! And another month is here, and I bet you guys know what that means. It's time for another Lush kitchen subscription box unboxing. And it's so funny because I was nervous last month whether one was gonna come or not, because we got it like, I think spring break week. I feel like it's only been like 2 weeks since I've done one of these, but normally they come like right immediately first day of the month. I actually got this one delivered to me March 31st. So I actually got April's box like a day before April was even here. And that's honestly my favorite thing because you guys, I've really gotten into using these Lush Kitchen subscription boxes. Like, the month that I get the products, like I love using those products in that month. They're usually themed by some holiday or some kind of seasonal experience. So it is super fun to use like the smells of Valentine's Day, like in the month of February. I'm wondering if this is gonna have like some Easter themed products in it. Why am I like sitting way off to this side today, you guys? Anyway, I feel like Easter is one of Lush's like big collection drop times. Like I feel like they do Christmas, Halloween, of course, everybody's favorite, Easter, and I'm trying to think if there's another big holiday that Lush releases like a lot of like, the products look like carrots and bunnies. I feel like a couple years ago we got this really cool like jelly, I think it was a face wash, because when you took it out, it was like a mask of a bunny and you like soaped up with this like jelly product. It was really cool. We also had one that was like that was like Santa's beard, and it came out of like one of those like jelly pots. Anyway, you guys, I ramble. Also, I'm having a little bit of a fashion crisis, you guys, today. We have a wedding upcoming and I'm like literally trying to figure out like what to wear, A, to a wedding, and B, to like a spring wedding. And like everything I own 90% of the time is black. And I'm like, you can't wear black to a wedding, or can you? Do you guys know anything about, because I have a really pretty black Betsy Johnson dress and it has flowers all over it, like vibrant purple flowers, but the base of the dress is black. Can you do that? I feel like that's just like a thing to maybe not do. Also, you guys, look, my tiny little cutting tool that I got from Temu. That's what we're gonna be slicing the box open with today. So our only clue is this. It's like a plant and a root. Maybe it's ginger. Oh my god. If I got a box of like ginger scented products, I would probably like give it all to my mom. I actually do love how ginger smells, but my mom is like, ginger is like her favorite scent. So let's open it up. And as you guys probably know by now, ooh, look at the card. So there is a super fun, this smells amazing. There's a QR code. So we'll scan that once we unbox everything. There's usually like a little video. They show you how the items are made. You guys, if you're a Lushie like me, it is like just such a fun experience. All right, you guys, it's time to make your monthly wishes. Wishes. All right, right on top, this bottle. Oh my god. You guys, I think this is like the second time I've pulled a product out of the box that I don't think I can say, you know, but read. Yeah, I definitely don't think I can like, I think this is like a no-no word. But this is what it is. It's a shower gel. Kitchen exclusive shower gel. Blend into the undergrowth of patchouli and oak moss, while chicory infusion takes care of skin calming business. Maybe that's what they mean by the name of this product, because I'm like, whoa, how interesting. At first, when I pulled this out, you guys, I thought it was like this product that I literally cannot stop raving about from Lush. It's the grass shower gel, and it's kind of the same color, and I was like, oh my god. But then that wouldn't be like a kitchen exclusive. Oh my god, I'm gonna love this. So there's a lot of plant-like undertones in this. Dare I say, a little bit of grassiness. And I'm sure like it's probably just looking very dark in the bottle, but rest assured it is green. All right, you guys, this thing is next. And I'm assuming, although it is kind of soft. Ooh, oh, this is like really interesting. Okay, let's pull it out of here. Lush Kitchen. It's like poured. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that or not, but like imprinted into the bar, which, oh my God. I have a silicone mold coming in the mail right now for like, have you guys seen those like massage bars and stuff? I saw this on TikTok the other day where somebody was saying to make a rosemary water hair infusion and then you comb it through your hair. It's like an ice bar that you make. Anyway, I just like when I saw the Lush Kitchen like imprint in the soap, silicone mold just flooded my mind. Oh my God. You guys, a little bit of the product like got on my hands as I was touching it. It almost has like two completely different scents. Like as I was smelling just the bar, it smelled like very earthy, but also with some citrus. But then the product that got left behind on my hands, like smells really strongly of oranges. Fascinating. All right, you guys. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this was for the month that I actually did do the voting process. I feel like I say this like every month now. That is one of the super fun things about the Lush Kitchen subscription box is every single month, once you're subscribed, they do send you an email and you can cast your votes. Like they'll show you not everything that's going to be in the box, but some things that could be in the box. And then you like vote. You can vote for all of them. You can say none of them look interesting to you. You can do like half and half. Some months I open that email. Most of the times I like don't participate just because I like everything to be a surprise. But I actually did vote for this product because I thought it was going to be so cute. It's a fish bubble bar or bath bomb. I kind of can't tell. It almost seems, I think it's going to be a bubble bar, but isn't he cute? I kind of can't place this smell, honestly. Just a little bit citrusy, but it's good. All right, you guys, it's a thing in a pot. The Skinny Dip Kitchen exclusive Buttercream Fair Trade Organic Aloe Vera Gel cools and calms as stimulating clove bud spices things up. Oh my God, you guys, I wonder if I'm gonna love this. Also, okay, this is a kind of soft soap. Scoop up a handful and smooth over skin to cleanse before rinsing. I wanted to double read because I don't think I've ever had a buttercream somehow. Unless this is a completely new formulation, I'm sure I have had a Lush buttercream at some point in my life and I just don't remember what the product was. But I wanted to like double read like the instructions because I was almost thinking that this was like a lotion buttercream, but I'm glad I didn't just take a scoop of soap and start just randomly rubbing soap on my skin. Ooh. You guys, I love clove scented things. So yeah, no surprise, I love this. Look at the texture of this though. It really does look like a buttercream frosting. Oh my God, did they also say almond? Aloe. Why am I thinking it almost does have like kind of an almondy scent to me? I don't know. I really like that one. Is that my favorite scent? I don't know. So far, it's probably between the shower gel and the buttercream. It looks like maybe we have just one product left. And it's an orange bath bomb. So that probably definitely makes me think that the fish is a bubble bar and this is a bath bomb. Ooh. This smells amazing as well. The whole theme is like if you step into like a garden center or something, you know? It smells really good. Almost maybe like a cinnamony or clove kind of fragrance with this as well. Okay, so those are all of our items this time. I'm kind of wondering, I did also just see like something come up in my email that was about like giving feedback about just overall the Lush Kitchen subscription box, what you want to see more of, what you want to see less of. And I wonder if a lot of people are saying that they don't don't want like the extras that are like the journals, the pins, the bags, the items like that. Because I feel like for the past couple of months now, we have not seen any extras or any other items like that. It's just all strictly been products. Oh my God, look at this. Okay, so I wonder what, that is so funny. I've never seen that before, where two of the spots just say like surprise, and it's not like all just a photo of what the items are. So give me a second. I'm gonna pause filming. I'm gonna scan the QR code. I'm gonna take screenshots of everything because I love to put that in the side so you guys can get some more information about everything. So let me do that now. I forgot to show you guys like a clip of the video. I just saw all these ginger roots being crushed up and mixed together and then making the bath bombs. You guys, it is like a life goal of mine to just make a Lush bath bomb just one time. This is the only thing I feel like I have to say, and I wonder if it's because the Lush Kitchen subscription box thing, it's been going on for a while, I think in the UK, maybe also in Canada, and then they just introduced it to the States. October was the first box, because every single month it says like issue 30 something, issue 35. So I wonder if this is technically like the 35th box, but for us it's only like however many months is from October to April. As usual, I really love how they have told us which ones were a community pick, and then the ones that we like didn't vote on or they just added in as a surprise. I think those are the ones that just say like kitchen exclusive. So the first thing that they show is the fish, which was a community pick. So they say swimmingly delightful, warm and spicy cinnamon and black pepper blend together to comfort both the body and the mind. Oh yeah, I forgot. The actual theme of this month is get grounded. So everything is kind of like these earthy, planty scents, which I have really been into that lately. I feel like once again, there's like themes that carry over month from month where I'm just like, I've really been into like earthy scents for a couple of months now. Up next is, oh yes, the Yoga Balm. Sit back and breathe easy as show-stopping colors unfold in front of your eyes while soothing olebanum resinoid, you guys, I can't say either of those words, and relaxing hoe wood oil surround you. Nice. I'm kind of excited to see what the show-stopping colors will be. Ooh, look, it's almost like I can see a little bit of purple hidden in there. All right, next thing is the last community pick, which is this shower gel. See, I don't remember seeing this one. I don't know. This killer good scent is back. See, I was wondering if that's why this one got picked. Like that name somewhere is just floating around in the back of my mind. So I think that this is like one of the products that like Lush made and then they discontinued for a while and now they're bringing it back for the box. So it says this killer good scent is back to soothe, soften, and calm with grounding patchouli, aromatic oak moss, and fresh cypress oil. I feel like I like cypress oil as well. All right, you guys, the soap. So this is the item that is a kitchen exclusive. I really wish you guys could see the imprints on this a little bit better. It does look so cool. So it says, you'll never want to put it down. Cleanse and relax with stimulating fresh ginger root and ginger oil. It smells amazing. Definitely it has some kind of other like super earthy note to me, but yeah, definitely ginger. And like I said, also a little bit of orange or something to me, but maybe the orange is just like a mental thing for me. Cause like I see the little like pieces in there and I'm assuming those are just like actually ginger pieces, but for my mind, I'm just thinking oranges. All right, you guys, and the last product, which I am most excited to use this today, the Skinny Dip. So this says this luxurious buttercream is packed with conditioning creamed coconut, spicy clove oil, and warm sage oil. I do love the scent of cloves, like I said. Oh, so amazing. So like I always say every single month, the only downside is don't get too attached to any of these scents because you can literally only get it in this Lush Kitchen subscription exclusive box. Now, I do know some people sell the items that they're not interested in on like Poshmark or something, so you could maybe find it like that. Like, I feel like some people really like one product in there, so they're probably just trying to like swap with people or sell the pieces that they don't want so they can get like more of the items that they do want. So maybe if you see a product in here that sounds really good to you, maybe you could find it like on some kind of marketplace like that. But that being said, I love this experience every single month. Like I always say, not sponsored. They do send this box over. I will have the link in the description for you guys just in case you want to check it out for yourself. And I just love it every single month. It's always something new, something fresh, something I've never experienced before. And like I always say, there's never been a Lush product that I don't like. You guys, I feel like we could start playing bingo with the 5 fun phrases that I say in every Lush video, except for I didn't say demon in the dark yet. So if you were waiting for me to say that one, had to get it in there right at the end. Anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!